Imagine this, in just 10 minutes you earn $2,000 by simply following market movements. Sounds like a dream? In this video I will share how you can possible using new trading strategy with binary option. This is your chance to learn how to turn your market even in profit. Today I will explain how to properly analyze the news, identify entry points in the market and avoid common mistakes. Be sure to watch until the end to learn my key tips and tricks. Now let's get started. News trading is a strategy based on the market reactions, major economic events such as employment report, instant rate changes on the central bank statement. News causes sharp market movements which can use for profit. The key to knowing how to respond. For example, show a real example. A news related about us US employment growing and the hard market is reacted. Focus only on the most significant news event that can hire volunteer. You can find such event in the economic calendar. Open an economic calendar like investment.com and look on the higher impact news. There are usually market their bull head start. Choose an asset that real strong to the news. For example, currency pair with the dollar if the news in from US, then make sure your trading platform is ready and your investment connecting is fast. Economic calendar trading platform, for example like Olam Trade and Pocket Option. Set your risk level in advance. Even risk more than 2 or 5% of your deposit on a single trade. How I made $2,000 in 10 minutes. Let's break down how I made $2,000 on a market moving following the Federal reverse interest rate announcement. Before that announcement, the market is waiting for pause with low volatility. After the news release, as soon as the news was released, the market is spiking upward. That's my opportunity. My actions right after the news come out, I noticed a strong upward movement. That was the signal to open a up trade and I choose a 5-minute experience time since the market usually continue its moving in the first 5 minutes after news. The result, the trading closed with a profit and I earned $2,000. It's important to react quickly but not rush in the without analyze. Make sure the momentum is confirm the chart. Mistake to avoid. Common mistakes. Trading on even price of news. Not just all news created significant market movement. Entering trading without confirmations. Always wait to see where the market is actually heading. Using too longer a trade size that can lead to quick loss. Test your strategy on a demo account before trading to a real trade. News trading is a powerful tool for guaranteed profit, but like any strategy is required preparation and discipline. Comment below which news event you will like and to trade on, and I will break out down in the next video. Congratulations to the making it till end of the video. You will already among the top 10% of winners who are truly strive to improve their skills and succeed in trading. If you want to more deeper, then join my Telegram channel. There I will share exclusive material, daily market analysis and valuable tips for trade. The link is waiting for you in the description below the video.